You want to make money online, but what a lot of you don't understand is you're actually sitting on money machine right now. I'm talking about your knowledge. Most people underestimate the value of what they already know. This can be your skill, this can be a business, this can be an experience, this can be something that you learn, whether it's cooking, design, fitness, even your hobby, literally everything that you've learned, you can actually monetize it. All of these things can be managed and monetized. A lot of you have talents, things that you're really good at, and yet you're still broke. Put that thing into a course, turn it into an ebook, put it into a template, and sell to people. There are people that are willing to pay thousands for what you already know, for what you see as just a hobby. I can tell you for free that every skill that you have can be monetized. You just need to package it and put it out there for people to see. Some of you are just too good. You're too good in sewing. You're too good in cooking. You're too good in giving advice, like relationship advice, like you're too good in so many things. And the worst part of it is you don't even monetize it, and yet you're complaining of being broke. The people who know how to use their skill, who monetize their skill, they can never go broke. Even down to the clothes you wear, you can actually monetize it if you know how to dress well. There's some persons that knows how to match colors very well. They're very good at styling. They're very good at accessorizing. You must not even be a celebrity to put this course out there. A lot of you think you have to have like so much experience for you to do these things. No, that's a big fat lie. You can package your experience and put it out there. People who are in need of these things, they are going to pay for it. You can create ebook on a Gen Z collection styles, different styles of hair. Like there are a lot of things you can do literally. You just have to sit down, think about it. What can I offer to people for people to pay me? What value can I give for people to pay me? Because when you're someone that is valuable, you can never be hungry. There is no way you'll be broke because you have something people are in need of. You have something that you can give to people. And you know the best part? You don't even need to have a laptop. Just your mobile phone. You can create a template using your mobile phone. Once you have Canva, you're good to go. You can create an ebook using your mobile phone. A lot of you want to give the excuse of, oh, I don't even have a template. I don't even have a laptop. How am I going to do this? I can't do this. You can create your own template using your smartphone. Make very good use of your mobile phone. Your mobile phone is not just to throw people online or send irrelevant messages or cash cruise. And one of the best parts of monetizing your knowledge is you do not have to reinvent the wheel. You just have to go with what is working and position yourself as an authority in front of your audience with the knowledge you already have. Let this be a sign to create your own digital product with the knowledge and experience you already have. Even that thing you consider as just a hobby can pay you. A lot of persons are getting paid by the things they call it's just an hobby. Now, if you want to learn how to create your own digital product, you can send me a DM and I'm going to send you a guide that explains everything you need to know about creating your own digital products. Do not sleep on this. A lot of persons are making money off digital marketing. But it's not free, guys. So I just want to put this out there. It's not free. You're gonna have to pay for registration. But if you don't have money, it's totally fine. You can literally browse this online. I'm sure there are a lot of videos that also explains digital marketing in depth. You can browse and and make good use of whatever thing you've learned from there. Make sure to put everything I've just shared in practice. And if you have any question, don't fail to let me know in the comment section or you can reach out to me on IG. I'm going to leave my IG handles on the screen. So you're free to send me a DM to ask me any questions. And yeah, don't feel shy. Don't feel like you're not knowledgeable enough to pass out information to people or to create your own course or to create your own ebook and to share it out there because a lot of times we tend to doubt ourselves and we'll be like, am I really knowledgeable in this field? Like, would anybody want to listen to what I have to say? But 80% of the time, when you put it out there, you find out that a lot of persons actually resonate with what you are saying. A lot of persons literally got so much value, and you'll be so happy and fulfilled. Okay, so that's why you should not let anything stop you. Don't let that thought stop you. Put it out there. The people who will buy it will buy it. The people who will be in need of your service will come to you. What's the worst thing that can happen? What is the worst thing that can happen? So put it out there. You have nothing to lose. I hope you learned a thing or two. And if you resonate with what I've just shared, let me know in the comment section. Let me know in the comment section. Now, if this is your first time seeing me, please, I don't want it to be your last. Kindly subscribe to the YouTube channel and make sure to give me a thumbs up. And also let me know on the type of videos you would love to see on my channel. On this channel, we try our best to give out valuable content. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give me a like and subscribe if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel for more valuable content like this one.